guys, welcome back to the channel. This is HowFast.
How's it going, guys?
Don't recognize this guy next to me?
Hi, my name's Derek. I don't know if you guys recognize me or not. Obviously, you can tell the Leafs didn't win, and well, like I said, I grew it until they lost, and now she's gone. So we'll see how fast I can grow it back, I guess.
So, Derek and I finally got some good news. We're actually going to go up and get our car today.
Yeah, thank God.
Thank God. So we're off to St. Thomas right now. So we'll catch you guys in a minute. So guys, we're here right now with Wayne and Rob. These guys we've hired to come pull the new project car over to the house in Chatham, over to HowFast headquarters. That's what I've dubbed it. I've dubbed it HowFast headquarters now. Sorry, honey. So we're here, got the car on the side of the road. Wayne and Rob are going to give us a hand here, and we're going to get this car loaded up and get it back and start taking a look at it, seeing what it's got to give us.
Exciting.
Yeah. Oh, she was speeding on her way to church. God, how would Jesus feel if she was to kill one of us? Come on now. How would Jesus drive?
That's good.
She like he stole it, I assume.
Well, yeah.
That's how she's driving.
Alright guys, we're back to Justin's, and finally the car's here. It's made it home.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! What are we gonna name it, Justin? Are we gonna? No, you know what? We're not gonna tell you guys yet.
We don't know yet.
We don't know
We
yet.
have a couple things in mind.
Yeah. We've got some things in our back pocket that we're gonna we'll spring on a little bit later.
Well, we want to ask you guys too.
Yeah.
I mean, if you guys have ideas, shoot them to us, because we've got something kind of funny in mind, and I think it'd be cool for us. But if you guys have something that you think would be, a good idea for this car's, the name of this car, then please send it to us and comment, because we want to hear your ideas.
Yeah, any kind of cool theme wraps, because eventually we're not going to keep the car the way it is. We've got maybe 4 or 5 different setups we can actually put on the car, as far as fenders and hoods and roofs and doors.
Let's come on over here.
Yeah, let's go for a walk over. We'll see what we got.
So here's the hood, obviously, that you guys have seen on the car. But over here we have a bunch of different fenders. The car's body is a Ford Thunderbird. Some of you can probably recognize it from the hood and maybe from that tail end. But there's a different model of year of Thunderbird as well. So we have a couple different hoods, but a bunch of different fenders and a half dozen tires and rims. So, I mean, we're not going to obviously run these, but
no.
I think we have a couple buddies who would probably be interested in them. So we'll see what the deal is with those. So it's kind of time to dig in.
Yeah. So for now it's a gorgeous day out. Church is coming over later, and the kids are going to play, and the adults are going to play with the car. I think it's time to take it into it, get it cleaned out. It's obviously been sitting for a while. We kind of want to get it shined up, see what we're looking at as far as any kind of repairs we need to do, and go from there.
Okay, so we got this thing kind of cleaned out. I mean, a little. We vacuumed it, and we kind of cleaned it out just a little. It's still a little tight in there. So let me see now, Derek. Derek, you see what I have in my hand here, right?
A tape measure?
A tape measure. So now let's just, can I get a profile of you here? Let me see here. Okay. Oh, Derek, I think you can make it.
Is this a challenge?
No, I think you can make it. I think you can make it, but with the steering wheel out, and then, but here's the other one.
He's got to like shimmy.
Shim sideways, like that's third. No, this way. Oh, I got bad news that way.
No. I'll keep sucking in.
Okay, get the jack. We'll put the jack in here.
Put the jack in.
Get the jack. We'll put the jack in there, and then we'll open it up. All right. Okay, so the jack was a failure.
That was a failure, yeah.
Okay, so now we get the butter. No, for real, Derek's gonna give her a go here, and this is gonna be a reality of this car. And
and if you know, just to be clear, I've never gotten in a race car before, so this is gonna be a first of climbing through the window of a car.
Take it easy on Derek in the comments section. This is not Dukes of Hazzard. This is the first time getting in. One leg in, good. Second leg. Maybe. Oh, back out, abort.
Back up. Yeah.
Commit. He's committed. Watch your balls going in. He's committed. Suck it in. Okay.
He's a little tight.
How did you get? Woo! That's the thumbnail right there. How did you get in there? That steering wheel. Hang on, let me.
Give me the steering wheel too.
It's just.
Oh yeah, this seat's tight.
Yeah, no, we'll have to open it up for you.
Let's go for a ride.
Let's go.
All right, now we got to get me out.
Okay, so we gotta shorten this thing like 5 or 6 inches, right? Because we're not driving around for hours.
All right.
Now
can I get out?
This is the part.
Oh.
Derek, fantastic, man. I honestly, you know what? I didn't. I honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I had my doubts.
I know you did.
You've proved me wrong, and I don't mind being proven wrong.
Now your turn.
My turn. Okay, again, same like
Scenario.
little caveat there that I've never been in a race car, but
Yep.
I did grow up watching Dukes of Hazzard, so this should come as.
That's what I just went back to Dukes of Hazzard days.
Bo and Luke Duke.
Yep. We didn't get the whole slide across the hood thing, but
I will. That looks painful.
yeah. See, that looked a lot easier for.
Oh, buddy, this I feel at home. This seat actually fits me really well.
I know.
Maybe we just put this in the Beamer.
Yeah, maybe.
This could be my daily. This is a problem though. Can we get that steering wheel?
Yeah, Kirky's in the Beamer.
Kirky's in the Beamer.
Yeah.
This is nuts. I couldn't imagine driving like this.
It's got to go in a lot farther.
Yeah.
Like it's got to snap in. You're probably going to go in like another
Inch.
It's all rusted to crap. Probably like another inch or two.
Whatever. But I mean,
But still, yeah.
No, I would want it out here, I would think.
Love it.
Love it. Feel at home.
Yeah.
Feels good. Could be crazy.
It's going to be crazy.
It's gonna be crazy. Now, getting out.
Getting out was a lot easier than going in. Let me tell you that.
All I need is some Daisy Dukes and fit right in.
Mm-hmm. There she is.
At home.
At home.
HowFast HQ.
Yep.
So what's the name gonna be, guys? What's the name?
Hit us up in the comments. Let us know.
She's a little crazy. She's a little squirrely.
Yeah. Yeah. We need to think off the wall on this one and
off the wall.
You know.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah. Out of the box. Off the wall.
Okay, guys, that's gonna do it for today.
Yep. Got it all cleaned out. It's delivered. It's home. Now it's just time to hammer down.
Yeah, so over the next week here, Derek and I, like I said, we got in it, we cleaned it out, we got to sit in it and feel it today finally for the first time. So
yeah,
feels
real.
Yeah, it's real. It feels good. It's finally here. So I hope you guys can appreciate, all the effort we're trying to put in for this.
Yeah.
Over the next week, Derek and I are going to try. The goal is to try and get it into the garage so that we can actually begin kind of pulling it apart and really assessing things. And then also over the next week, as I keep saying for the last 3 weeks, bearings.
Yeah, we gotta get the parts for the engine and get that done. You know, the focus has kind of been on getting the chassis home. It's been a rough couple weeks with that. So now that we've got that done, we can focus now. You know, get back to the motor and get that going.
Yeah.
The parts we need and keep going forward.
So, you know, like always, guys, please subscribe and share. And if you are a race car driver, like we hope to be, like you one day, please subscribe and share it with some of your friends and comment. Remember, guys, we're thinking about names for the car, and we want to hear your ideas in the comment section. So if you can, hit us up on that one. Also, get us on Instagram at how__fast, or you can get us an email through email at howfast10@gmail.com. So hope you guys are enjoying it, and stick around. In the next couple weeks here, we may find out how fast we can make this car go.
See you later, guys.